Cue the mood music. Not that one. This. Yeah. I have to voice this over because, as we refer to in the professional YouTube community, the audio was poo-poo caca. Anyway, oh yeah. And see all these wires? Unhook them from the battery before you go touching them. So they hurt worse than seeing yourself in the mirror after a shower. Personal experience. This here is a thingamajiggy that came off my trolling motor. It makes it go vroom, more vroom, less vroom, or backwards vroom, which are free rough. Any hoosies. All them wires match the gauge, extend them up to beside your seat. Figure out a way to mount it. I mean, what, you want me to do everything for you? But I'm going to. So y'all tune in for the next one and we'll go ahead and mount that booger up. So it's going to be easy peasy. Lemons make me squeezy. I mean, not squeezy, queasy. You messed that one up. Son of a gun. Have you ever been down? Felt like you needed a little pep in your life? Then touch the wires.